Hey, it's Chelsea here at the All-Weather at-Home showroom. Chuck, why is it so important to work with a professional installer when you're replacing windows in your home?
Great question. Installation is everything. You want to protect your investment by having the right person do it for you. No shortcuts. Our installers will make sure that it's fitted properly, that it's sealed properly, so that way there's no surprises down the road.
Okay, so this is not really the project that you want to take on as a DIY thing for yourself.
Yeah, not at all.
What are some questions that you want to be asking a professional installer before you get them to take on your project?
You want to make sure they have the right qualifications and certifications to complete the work. Likewise, you want to make sure they follow the right safety standards. Safety is very important. The other part that's really sometimes overlooked, the company. Does the company stand behind their installation with a solid warranty? That's so critical.
Yeah, you really want to make sure that this is a long-term investment that's going to last, right?
Absolutely. All Weather's been here for 45 years, and we're going to continue to be here.
All right, well, you have a very helpful section on your website with all of these questions and more. Check it out at allweatherathome.ca.